Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning supporter, thank you. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button so that you're notified each time that I post. I've been away for a couple of weeks, but I'm back. Today I am washing my hair, so I figured I would do a comparison video. A lot of you may know that Xtreme or Wetline Xtreme gel has come out with a new gel, one that has replaced the old one. So I still have some of the old one left, and I just purchased what I thought was the Wetline Xtreme, the old version, but they sent me the new one. So I figured I'd do a comparison video on my hair. So if you're interested in watching that, continue watching the video. Alright, so let's get started. I do have the two gels in front of me. So this is what the old style looks like. You know, it says Wetline Xtreme Professional. They both actually still say Wetline Xtreme Professional. This one doesn't say it right in front, but it says it on the lid, which is kind of hard to see, but it does say Wetline right here. So they're both called the same thing. Both of them claim to have extreme hold for 24 hours. This one actually says extra firm hold, and this one says extreme fixation number 10, but they both claim to have a hold duration of 24 hours. So they both have aloe vera, and they both say alcohol free. This one says it has a UV filter, and this one does not say it. And this one says fresh smell. This one just says no residues. So I did notice in the ingredients it is different. So it does have some of the same ingredients, but some of the ingredients are different. So I'm not going to go through the ingredients. I will maybe screenshot the ingredients somewhere on the screen so that you can see for yourself what the ingredients are and what the difference is between the two. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the old one on one side and the new one on the other side. That way we can get a good comparison of the results. I just want to see if there's anything different. I have been using this one for a little bit, and I do notice a difference, but it's not a big difference. So I figured I compare them against each other and just kind of see for myself what the difference is and bring you along for the journey. So what I'm going to do is, my hair is currently being deep conditioned. I've actually been deep conditioning for a couple hours now, so I'm going to rinse this off. I am going to apply my leave-in conditioner, and then I'll come back and apply the gel. So stay tuned, I'll be back. Alright guys, so I am back. I just washed my deep conditioner out of my hair. I applied some leave-in conditioner on both sides the same exact way. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the old gel to my left side. So really quick, I just want to show you what the old gel looks like. It's really thick in consistency. I don't have much in here, but I do have enough to cover at least one side. But this is what the consistency looks like. It's really jelly-like and thick in consistency. So yeah, and the smell is pretty good. I mean, it's a light smell. But I'm going to go ahead and apply this one to this side. So here we go. And I'll show you the consistency of the other one once I'm done applying this. So now I'm just gonna rake my fingers through just to kind of separate the clumps. Alright, so this is what this side looks like after applying the gel. Alright, so now I'm going to tie this section up and work on the other side with the new gel. I'm going to wipe my hands because I don't want the other gel. Alright, so this is what the new gel looks like. It's a lot more, there's a lot more movement, so it seems like it's a little bit more, just a little thinner than the other one. So if you look at it, it's still pretty thick, but it's not as jelly-like as the other one. It's a little bit more creamy than the old one. So that's what that looks like. Right. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like on the other side. I'm just going to rake my fingers through so that it divides some of these clumps. So this is what this side looks like. Let me show you a side-by-side comparison. So there we go. No real big difference, right? Not yet anyway. I did feel a difference while the gel was going on. This one goes on a little thicker, so it doesn't just smooth into the hair as easily as the new one. So the new one just kind of just glided in real nicely into the hair. Okay guys, so I am back. My hair is not 100% dry. It's probably about 80%, and I did use the diffuser on a cool setting just to get it to, just so I can show you something today. But I'm not seeing too much of a difference. Honestly, this is the old on this side, and this is the new on this side. I feel the same amount of crunch. I'm feeling the same amount of hardness on both sides. So yeah, can't really tell. It looks to be the same to me so far. So what I'm going to do is, since it's not 100% dry and I don't want to manipulate it or touch it too much until it's fully dry, I'm just going to let it air dry for the next few hours, pineapple it at night, do my normal nighttime routine, and then I'll show you what it looks like tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so this is next day hair. So this is the side that has the old gel, and this side has the new gel. As you can see, it's not a huge difference at all. Both sides feel the same. The new gel to me looks to be a little bit more voluminous and a little bit more elongated. The old side seems to have more definition, but like I said, not a huge difference. I think they're both very much the same. Leave a comment and let me know what you think down below. Do you think that the old gel looks any different than the new gel? Alright guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And we will see you in the next video. Bye.